Dear students, today we will start with exercise 13.3 and this is question number 3. In this exercise, you will learn what happens when one solid is converted into the other. This time you are not combining, you are not putting one solid over the other, or you are not attaching the two solids together. This is completely by demolishing the first and reshaping into the other. So in this exercise, you will learn such cases wherein one solid is changes into the other. Here, in this question number 3, he is saying that the earth dug out from a well, cylindrical shaped well, is now converted into a cuboidal platform. So he wants you to find the height of this cuboidal platform, whereas the radius of the well is given to you. Diameter is 7 meter, the radius will be 7 by 2 and its height is 20 meter. So whatever is the volume is the earth inside. So that earth is now reshaped into this cuboid of length 22 meter and width 14 meter, and he want you to find out the height of this cuboid. In such cases, when the solid completely changes into the other, we can say that the volume of this is now equal to the volume of the cuboid, because same earth is used, which was filled in the well is now reshaped into cuboid. So that means volume of the earth will remain same, just it will change the shape. So volume of the cylindrical well is equal to volume of the cuboid form, and the formula for the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, and volume of the cuboid is L into B into H. Both the H are different, so I have used different symbols for them. This H is of 20 meter and this H you don't know, you want to find. So both the H are entirely different. That's why we have used different symbols here. Now we will simply put the value. Pi is 22 by 7. R is given 7 by 2, 7 by 2, and this H is 20 meter. Length of the cuboid is 22, width is 14 meter into H. So we want to find H. That means whatever is cancelling, I've cancelled it here. I'm left with 77, 11 into 7 into 10. So this is 77 into 10, and I will bring this 22 and 14 down, and children, as it is changing the side, and now you will cancel and you will get this is 10 upon 4, and when you convert it into decimal you will find that this is equal to 2.5 meter. Now let's move to the next question. In this question he is saying the earth dug out from this well. Both the questions are related to well only, but in this question he is saying the earth dug out from the well is now spread around it in the shape of a ring. As you are able to see, they are spread around the well in shape of a ring to make an embankment. Children, you must have seen such wells. So this embankment, a it is spread in the shape of a ring. The earth is not poured again inside the well, the earth is poured around it, and this is the underground portion of the well. So, and this is the ground level. So from ground level till this height, this embankment is made out of the earth dug from the well itself. And children, this is created, embankment is created. So that means this time you will write the volume of earth dug from the well is equal to volume of the embankment, and therefore volume of the earth is pi r square h. Now you don't know the area of the ring shaped embankment. So children, basic formula for getting volume of any figure which is uniform thickness is base area into height. So base area, you know, if it is a square, you say that if it is a square cube, you say this is a square into height is also a. So you say that is a cube. If it is cuboidal in shape, length into width into height, so this is L into B into H. And if it is a circular cylindrical shape, then you say that pi r square is the base area, you multiply it with height, so the formula will become pi r square h. All these things, they are uniformly form thickness. From the bottom till the top, they are of same shape. That's why the single formula for getting the volume of these three figures is base area into height. Same is in ring. The shape is from the bottom till the top is the shape same, so we can use this formula base area into height. You are clearly able to see that the base is a ring, so this is pi r square minus r square. You know the area of the ring into h, so convert it into apply the formula. In one bracket you will write r minus r, in the other you will write r plus r, and then children, by putting the value simply, you are able to get the height of the well. So here pi and pi are cancelling. In place of r, I kept 3 by 2, 3 by 2. In place of h, I kept the height, which is given 14. And the ring, the width is given r minus r. The ring, the width of the ring is r minus r. Small r is given to us. So if I bring it this side, I'm able to calculate the value of capital R also, that is 11 by 2. And therefore children, we will put this value here, and we will simply able to find out the value of the height of the embankment. I hope you are able to understand. Try this question once again yourself to have better understanding. Till then, we meet. Bye bye.